Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Running Trails. My name's Philip and we're heading off out for a 8-mile run today. Zone 2 training, nice and steady. It's about 0 degrees out there, so it's a bit fresh, and we'll see you out on the trails. Come on, let's go. And we've arrived at the Dean, my happy place. Ah, yes. Today we're going to talk about running for beginners and a few things I've learned in my 3-year running journey. 4 marathons, 2 ultras and 5 half marathons. Evented ones anyway. You may think, wow, that's a lot in 3 years. Well, I don't think it is, considering what other people have done. Mine's just a short journey. But anyway, I think tip number 1, if you get to this point, not particularly this point in the Dean where I'm at, is being outside. If you've crossed that 1 centimetre threshold of your door and you are out, whether you're running, walking, doesn't matter. If you do a run walk, it's the basis, it's the foundation of what could progress into a great running journey, career, whatever you wanted to call it. Yeah. I think that's the first one, is getting out, crossing that threshold, committed to yourself. Don't make a New Year's resolution, because I seen a study the other day, it's over, I think it's well over 80%, 90% of New Year's resolutions fail. And I don't know whether that's because we make them in front of family and friends and we feel committed to do them. I don't know. Have you ever made a New Year's resolution and not followed it through? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, big puddle. Tip number 2, or advice number 2, it's okay to stop and walk. If you're just getting out running, just starting, you know, doing a couch to 5, couch to 10, doesn't matter. It's okay to walk. And it's going to make you a lot happier because you've completed whatever training session you have had planned for that day, whether it's get out and run for 1 mile, 2 miles, 3 miles. If you've got some base fitness or none at all, run a bit, walk a bit. Point being, it's okay to walk. And if you're on the trails, You get to look at lovely scenery, the woodlands of where you run. You get to see the odd bit of wildlife. Hiya. And you see other runners out doing the same as you. So you've done the hard bit, and that's getting out, crossing the threshold. Let's go up these steps. And tip number 3, if you're still here, thank you. This one is consistency. If you plan to do 2 runs a week, do 2 runs a week. If you plan to do 3, get out and do 3. I kind of failed in that when I first started, because I've got quite an active job. There's been a tree surgeon, so there's some days I'll get back and I don't really feel up to getting out for a run, but I still do, and still get out. Some days I haven't. Some days I just thought, oh fuck it, I really cannot be asked to get out, and I don't get out. Don't worry about it. Get out the next day, and you'll feel tons better for it. You will. But the main thing is what I'm trying to get across is here is don't worry about it. Don't stress over it. Get out when you can. If you're doing 2 a day, you've got 7 days to get them 2 runs in, and plenty of rest days in between. Sun's come out lovely. Tip number 4, it doesn't have to be expensive. It really doesn't. If you want to get new gear, you can. It'll probably cost you less than 100 quid. The reason why I'm saying that for is you don't need to go for the expensive stuff, especially if you don't like it. So in that respect, get cheap, try it out. And a car going past. Oh, as I was saying, yes, it doesn't have to be expensive. It really doesn't. Go out with what you've got. Everyone's probably got a pair of shorts. Use them. Pair of trainers. You can probably get them for less than 50 quid if you don't have any to go running in. Trail or road. Doesn't matter which one you prefer to pound, whether it be the trail or the tarmac. But yeah, it doesn't have to be expensive. Tip number 5, enjoy it. You're out here to get fit, do a challenge, do 5k, do 10k, enjoy the whole process of being out, get outside, fresh air, exercise, improving yourself. What's not to love when you're out in the countryside or getting fit, pounding that tarmac. Well, we are back from the run. 8 miles done in total. So, 26 hours for recovery, so that's good. That's good all round. Right then, bonus tip, or should I put it as a warning, runner beware. The main reason I'm saying that for is because if you get the bug, if you enjoy your run or runs when you first start out in your running journey, it can end up being almost a bottomless pit of running shoes, running shorts, running tops, hydration vests, hydration belts, watches, hats, gloves, waterproofs, you name it. The list goes on and on. But I'm in for the long run. I've enjoyed my 3 years of running journey, and hopefully to have plenty more to come. But yeah, right. Thanks for joining me today. If you're still here, thank you very much. My 4 subscribers, thank you so very much. Hope you had a good Christmas and New Year. On my last video, if you check the description, it gives you the reason why I haven't put any videos up. Okay. Like, share, put a comment, and I shall see you on the next video. Thank you and goodbye.